It's Bianca J, and I'm back with another word. And so the Lord has sent me here today, you guys, to let you all know that the seasons are changing, right? The seasons are changing. This is getting ready to be a full circle moment, right? It is the time, right? And so a lot of you all have been diligently seeking the Lord, right? And have been standing on what the Lord has spoken to you in previous seasons, right? The promises that the Lord has made to you in previous seasons, right? And so the Lord is saying that you are moving, right? This is for movement to those promises, right? Whether that is a new home, that new home is coming. The Lord is saying that the door has been open for these things to come to pass, right? And so for some of you all, you may have even seen some of the things, some of the promises that you have been seeking the Lord for come to pass already. Some of you all have seen debt cancellation, right? Some of you all have seen your credit score jump up. Some of you all have got the keys to your new place. Some of you all have moved into that new land. Some of you all have started that business. Some of you all have seen growth on your businesses, right? Whatever that promise is, whatever it is, for some of you all, you're getting ready to go back to school, right? The Lord is calling you back into school to do a new thing, right? But in this season, right, the Lord is doing something new. In this season, He is taking His people higher. In this season, He is answering prayers. In this season, right, the Lord is faithful always. He answers prayers always. But in this season, for those who have been seeking the Lord, even though the road has been rough, things have been looking shaky. Even when the things weren't looking like what the Lord has spoken to you, you still chose to seek Him. And so the Lord is saying, you're getting ready to see it. This is the time, right? This is the full circle moment, right? And so these things are turning around for you, right? You will no longer lack. You will no longer live in poverty because the Lord is doing these things, right? He's pulling you up. He's pulling you up out of the pit and placing you into the palace, right? And so yesterday, the Lord kept playing. The song that kept playing in my spirit was "I'm Ready" by Tevin Campbell, right? And for some of you all, that's a new love, right? That's that kingdom marriage promise coming to pass. And so the Lord is saying for those of you all who He have promised the marriage promise to, that you're going to see your kingdom spouse is ready. Like the Lord has prepared this relationship for you. He has prepared this marriage for you. He has prepared your spouse as well as yourself for this to come to pass. And the Lord is saying that promise is ready, right? And so another song that was playing in my spirit too was like 2 days ago, so that would have been Sunday, and it's the song by Britney Spears. How go? If you wanna be with me, you gotta make a good impression. You gotta love me the right way. And so the Lord is saying He has set the standard for that, right? So your kingdom spouse will love you the right way, right? And so He's going to make a good impression on you, right? And you're going to make a good impression on Him, right? Just be yourself. Be who the Lord has designed you to be. The Lord has pimped. I rebuke that, right? The Lord has peeled many layers off of you to get you to where you are now, and many layers off of your spouse to get you to where you are now. And the Lord is saying it is coming to pass, right? And so just believe Him for it. Just believe Him for it, you guys. If it's the move, believe Him for it. If it's the new car, believe Him for it. If it's the new house, believe Him for it. If it's the moving to your promised land, believe Him for it. If it's healing, believe Him for it. Whatever it is, believe Him for it. If it's marriage restoration, believe Him for it. If it's financial blessing you have been praying for, believe Him for it. Whatever it is, it's going to be a full circle moment where you're going to see multiple promises come to pass at once, right? And so the Lord is just saying that this is the month. This is the time. These things are turning around. It's going to all work in your favor, regardless of how the enemy tried to cause delay or how the enemy tried to throw you off, how the enemy tried to stop you. The Lord is saying this is coming to pass anyway. This is coming to pass anyway. And right now, the Holy Spirit is saying, my grace is sufficient. And so you were covered under God's grace during those things, right? Even when you made the wrong choice, even where you feel short, the Lord is saying, my grace was sufficient for you. My grace covered you. And so you're still going to see it. You're not out of my will. You're right where you need to be. and it is time. This will be your full circle moment. And so until my next video, you guys, stay focused and be blessed, and I'll see you in my next one.